What if I told you that the life you dream of is just 7 small shifts away? Did you know that 92% of people never achieve their goals because they remain stuck in old habits and limiting beliefs? But here's the secret: reinventing yourself isn't just possible, it's inevitable when you take the right steps. In this video, we'll unpack the life-changing lessons from Reinvent Yourself that can help you break free from the past, unleash your potential, and finally create the future you deserve. Stay tuned because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to transform your mindset, habits, and life forever. Why reinvention matters. Life is not static, it's a constant evolution. Yet so many of us feel trapped, unable to move forward. Reinvent Yourself is a powerful guide to breaking those chains and redefining who you are. Whether you're facing a career crossroads, struggling with self-doubt, or simply yearning for more out of life, this book delivers the tools to help you take control and start fresh. Let's dive into the 7 key lessons that will change the way you see yourself and the world around you. Lesson 1. Embrace radical self-honesty. You can't change what you won't confront. The first step to reinvention is facing the truth about where you are right now. Think of your life as a mirror. Are you happy with what you see? Radical. Self-honesty means dropping the excuses and acknowledging the habits, choices, and beliefs holding you back. For example, consider Sarah, a marketing executive who felt stuck in her career. After reflecting deeply, she realized her fear of failure had kept her from pursuing bigger opportunities. By confronting that fear, she landed her dream role within 6 months. Spend 15 minutes journaling about the areas of your life where you feel stuck. What truths are you avoiding? Lesson 2. Develop a growth mindset. Your potential is not fixed, it expands with every new challenge you embrace. If you believe you're not smart enough, talented enough, or lucky enough, it's time to rewrite that script. A growth mindset, coined by psychologist Carol Dweck, means seeing challenges as opportunities to grow rather than obstacles to fear. Take Elon Musk as an example. His vision for Tesla and SpaceX wasn't fueled by certainty and was driven by an unrelenting belief in learning through failure. Adopt the mantra, "I'm not there yet, but I'm learning." Lesson 3. Master the power of micro wins. Big transformations start with small, consistent victories. One of the most overlooked secrets of reinvention is the compounding power of micro wins. Think of it like climbing a staircase. No single step feels monumental, but together they take you to new heights. Consider Alex, who wanted to lose 50 pounds. Instead of focusing on the daunting number, he committed to walking for 10 minutes daily. Those 10 minutes became 20, then 30, and within a year, he not only hit his goal, but exceeded it. Start with one small habit today. Something so easy, it feels impossible to fail. Lesson 4. Let go of limiting beliefs. You are not your past. Many of us carry invisible baggage, beliefs we've inherited from childhood, past failures, or societal expectations. These beliefs act as invisible chains, keeping us tethered to mediocrity. A vivid example comes from Michael, who always believed he wasn't entrepreneur material. But when he finally challenged that story, he launched a side hustle that now generates 6 figures annually. Identify one belief you've been holding on to that no longer serves you. Then replace it with an empowering alternative. Lesson 5. Build your circle of influence. You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Your environment shapes your outcomes. Surrounding yourself with negative, unmotivated people will only drag you down. But when you build a circle of mentors, friends, and peers who challenge and inspire you, everything changes. For example, Jim Rohn's philosophy transformed countless lives, including that of Tony Robbins, who attributes much of his success to Rohn's mentorship. Evaluate your inner circle. Who uplifts you? Who drains you? Make changes accordingly. Lesson 6. Take bold, imperfect action. Progress beats perfection every time. The fear of failure often paralyzes us. But the truth is, waiting for the perfect moment is just procrastination in disguise. Reinventing yourself means stepping into the unknown and learning as you go. Think of J.K. Rowling, who faced countless rejections before Harry Potter became a phenomenon. What if she'd stopped trying after the first no? Commit to taking one bold action this week, even if it scares you. Lesson 7. Align your actions with your vision. Clarity breeds confidence. Reinvention is not about random change, it's about intentional transformation. This means getting crystal clear on your vision for the future and ensuring your daily actions align with that vision. Consider Lisa, who dreamed of becoming a public speaker. By creating a clear plan starting with small local events, she eventually landed a TEDx talk that changed her life. Write down your top 3 goals and the first steps you need to take to achieve them. Conclusion: reinvention is not a one-time event, a lifelong journey. And the best part? The power to change is already within you. Reinvent Yourself offers the blueprint. You just have to take the first step. So, what's holding you back? Which of these lessons resonated most with you? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your story. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more life-changing insights. Remember, your next chapter starts today. Don't miss it. Hit the notification bell now.